Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people have been asking me about recently. Can you use Apple Pay for Grabpay? I know that a lot of people are looking for ways to make their lives easier, and using Apple Pay for Grabpay would definitely be a huge convenience. So, let's get started and find out the answer. First, let's talk about what Apple Pay is. Apple Pay is a mobile payment system that allows you to make payments using your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. It's a very convenient way to pay for things, as you don't have to carry around any cash or credit cards. Now, let's talk about Grabpay. Grabpay is a mobile wallet that you can use to pay for Grab rides, Grab food deliveries, and other Grab services. It's a very popular payment method in Southeast Asia, and it's becoming increasingly popular in other parts of the world as well. So, can you use Apple Pay for Grabpay? The answer is yes. You can use Apple Pay to top up your Grabpay wallet. This means that you can use your Apple Pay to pay for Grab rides, Grab food deliveries, and other Grab services. Here's how to do it. Open the Grab app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the Wallet tab. Tap on the Top Up button. Select Apple Pay as your payment method. Enter the amount that you want to top up. Confirm the transaction. Once you've topped up your Grabpay wallet, you can use it to pay for Grab rides, Grab food deliveries, and other Grab services. So, there you have it. You can use Apple Pay for Grabpay. This is great news for people who use both Apple Pay and Grabpay. It makes it even easier to pay for things on the go. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. See you next time.